Hello guys, good morning. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we will discuss about the tragedy of Macbeth. Macbeth is the play written by William Shakespeare. Macbeth is the play written by William Shakespeare. Written date of this play is 1606. Written date of this play is 1606. This is a tragic play. This play have the political ambitions. Setting of this play is Scotland and England. Setting of this play is Scotland and England. Macbeth is the title of this play, and also the Macbeth is the hero of this play. Macbeth is the hero of this play. Macbeth have the title Thane of Glamis. Macbeth have the title Thane of Glamis. Duncan is the king of Scotland. Duncan is the king of Scotland. Duncan has two sons, Malcolm and Donalbain. Malcolm and Donalbains. Next character, Banquo. Banquo is the friend of Macbeth. Banquo is the friend of Macbeth. Flins is the son of Banquo. Flins is the son of Banquo. Next character, Lady Macbeth. Lady Macbeth is the wife of Macbeth. She play an important role in the play. Three witches. Three witches appears in the opening scene of the play. Hecate is their queen. Hecate is their queen. Macduff. Macduff is the Thane of Fife. Macduff. Macduff is the Thane of Fives. And the next character, Lady Macduff. Lady Macduff is the wife of Macduff. Next character, MacDonald. MacDonald is the traitor. Have the title of Thane of Coward. Thane of Coward. Next character, Shivard, Journal of English Force, Journal of English Force. Young Seward is the son of Shivard. Young Seward is the son of Shivard. Rose, Lennox are the minor character. A porter is the gatekeeper in the play in the house of Macbeth. The play opens with three witches. Three witches discuss about their next meeting with Macbeth. Next meeting with Macbeth. The scene is thunder and lightning. The scenes clear with the thunder and lightning. In the following scenes, a wounded sergeant. In the following scene, a wounded sergeant reports to the kings. A sergeant report to the King Duncan of Scotland, King Duncan of Scotland, that his general Banquo and Macbeth, Banquo and Macbeth have just defeated the army of Norway. Have just defeated the army of Norway and Ireland, Norway and Ireland, led by the traitor MacDonald, led by the traitor MacDonald. Three witches greet Macbeth with prophecy. They address him the Thane of Cawdor, and he will be a king hereafter, and he will be a king hereafter. About Banquo, so they say that he will be a father of king. He will be father of a king. They vanish, and the next Rose came and informed Macbeth of his newly bestowed title, the Thane of Cawdor. First prophecy of three witches is fulfilled. Macbeth becomes ambitious of becoming king. Macbeth becomes ambitious of becoming king. Macbeth invites Duncan at his castle in Inverness to spend the night. Lady Macbeth is the wife of Macbeth, persuade Macbeth to kill Duncan. Act second, Macbeth stabs Duncan. Macbeth stabs Duncan, and Duncan died. He forced with after this and fears after this. Lady handle, Lady Macbeth handle all these. She blames Duncan's sleeping servant for the murder. She blames Duncan's sleeping servant for the murder. Lennox. Lennox is the minor characters. Is Scottish nobleman. Lennox is the Scottish nobleman and Macduff. And Macduff leads to Duncan's chambers. Macduff discovers Duncan's body. Macduff discovers Duncan's body. Macbeth murders the guard. Macbeth murders the guard to prevent them to tell the truth about their innocence. Duncan, son Malcolm, and Donalbans flee to England and Ireland. In the Act 3, Macbeth is still uneasy. Macbeth is still uneasy and sends two assassinators to kill Banquo. To kill Banquo and flee. Banquo and Fleens flee. Banquo is murdered. Banquo is murdered and Fleens flee. Banquo's ghost appears to Macbeth. Banquo's ghost appears to Macbeth at the banquet. At the banquet, ghost is visible only Macbeth. Ghost is visible only Macbeth. All suspect that Macbeth becomes mad. Macbeth becomes bad. Lady Macbeth handle the situation. Lady Macbeth handle the situations and uh, and sends all them from the banquet. Hackett. Here is the next scene of Hackett appears. Hackett appears to three witches and she is angry with them. She is angry with them. And next, fourth act, Macbeth disturbs. Macbeth is very disturbed because he want to become a king and he went to three witches ask what happens with him. They say the first things an armed head which tells him to beware of Macbeth. Three witches say the first things to Macbeth, beware to beware to Macduff, and the second, a bloody child tells him that no one born of a woman will be able to harm him. And the second thing said by three wishes to Macbeth is that no one born to a woman will be harmed to Macbeth. Third thing, a crowned child holding a tree status that Macbeth will be safe until the great Burnham Wood. Burnham Wood is the special scene in this play. Burnham Wood comes to Dunsinane Hill. Dunsinane Hill, the place where Macbeth lives. Macbeth flee. Macbeth feels secure because he knows now Macbeth feels secure because he knows that all men are born of woman, because all men are born of women, and forest cannot possibly move, and forest cannot possibly move. He also asked about Banquo's son. He also asked about Banquo's son's twins. Banquo's sons acquired kinship in the numberless countries, which is vanishes. Lennox enters and informs Macduff had fled to England. Macduff had fled to England. Macbeth sends assassinators in Macduff's castles to kill his wives and sons. And the Act 5's Lady Macbeth, racked with guilty that she and her husband did. Uh, she feels she walks in sleep. She has the disease named somnambulism, which means a person can walk in sleep and talk to herself or himself. She becomes totally mad. In England, Macduff is informed by Rose that his wives and babies slaughtered. Macduff's wives and babies slaughtered. He was to revenge. Macduff was to revenge to Macbeth. Macduff and Malcolm. Macduff and Malcolm's joins Seward to attack Macbeth. They accompanied in Burnham Wood and cut the branches to hide their number and cut the branches to hide their numbers. Lady Macbeth commits suicide's last wording of Lady Macbeth is tomorrow and tomorrow and tomorrow. Burnham Woods start to walk. Now Burnham Woods start to walk. And a battle starts between Macbeth and Macduff, and a battle starts with Macbeth and Macduff. Young Siward is killed. Young Siward is the son of Siward is killed in this war, in this combat. Macbeth says that he will not kill by. Macbeth says that he will not kill by anyone who is born to a woman. At this, Macduff says that he is taken from her mother's womb untimely right. Second prophecy is fulfilled, which is committed by three witches. Macduff beheaded him. Macduff cut the head of Macbeth. Malcolm is the king of Scotland. Now Malcolm is the king of Scotland. James the First and mm, James the Sixth. James the First and James the Sixth is the sons of Banquo becomes the kings because this is the prophecy by three witches. This is all the story of Macbeth. If you liked it, you can like and subscribe my channels. Thank you. And in the next video, we will discuss about the next play of William Shakespeare as you like it. And now, this is the end of the story. Thanks.